Hi everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Life. Today, we're talking about something that's incredibly important but often feels challenging as we get older, making new friends as an adult. When we're kids or even teenagers, making friends seems almost effortless. We're surrounded by people in school, clubs, or activities, and friendships naturally form. But as adults, life gets busier. We have work, family responsibilities, and routines that don't always allow us to meet new people. Yet, friendships are so important for our mental health, happiness, and overall well-being. Good friends provide support, inspiration, and connection, which are essential for a fulfilling life. In this video, I'm going to share practical tips, strategies, and mindset shifts to help you make new friends as an adult, whether you've just moved to a new city, started a new job, or simply want to expand your social circle. Let's dive in. Before we get into the how, let's talk about why making friends as an adult feels so hard. Less built-in social structures. In school or college, we're naturally surrounded by peers in the same phase of life. As adults, those built-in environments often disappear. Busy schedules, between work, family, and personal goals, it can feel like there's no time to focus on building new friendships. Fear of rejection. Many people worry about putting themselves out there and being turned down, which makes it harder to take the first step. Different priorities. As we grow older, our interests and priorities shift, making it harder to find people who align with our values or lifestyle. Recognizing these challenges is important because it helps us approach friendship building with patience and understanding. The good news is, making friends as an adult is absolutely possible, it just takes intentionality and effort. Let's start with the mindset you need to cultivate before diving into the strategies. Be open to opportunities. Friendships often form in unexpected ways. Keep an open mind and be willing to step outside your comfort zone. Understand that friendship takes time. Building a deep connection doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and shared experiences over time. Embrace vulnerability. True connection comes from being genuine and open. Don't be afraid to show interest or initiate conversations. It's how friendships begin. Quality over quantity. You don't need a large group of friends. A few meaningful relationships can have a greater impact than many surface-level connections. By adopting this mindset, you'll feel more confident and motivated as you take steps to build new friendships. Section 3. Practical ways to meet new people. 10-12 minutes. Now, let's dive into practical strategies for meeting new people and forming connections. 1. Join groups or classes. One of the easiest ways to meet like-minded people is to join a group, class, or activity that interests you. Whether it's a fitness class, a book club, or a cooking workshop, shared interests naturally lead to conversations and connections. 2. Leverage your existing network. Sometimes, friends of friends can become great friends. Let people in your current social circle know you're looking to meet new people. They might introduce you to someone with similar interests. 3. Volunteer. Volunteering not only gives back to your community but also connects you with people who share your values. It's a great way to bond over a shared purpose. 4. Use social media and apps. Platforms like Meetup, Facebook groups, or even friend-making apps are designed to help people connect. Look for local events, hobby-based groups, or activities in your area. 5. Attend networking events. While networking events are often career-focused, they can also lead to personal connections. Don't be afraid to strike up casual conversations that extend beyond work topics. 6. Be a regular somewhere. Whether it's a coffee shop, gym, or community center, becoming a familiar face in a particular place can lead to organic interactions and friendships. 7. Say yes to invitations. Even if it's something you wouldn't normally do, saying yes to invitations can lead to unexpected friendships. It's about being open to new experiences and people. Meeting people is only the first step. Building genuine, lasting connections requires effort and intentionality. Here's how to deepen those connections. 1. Take the initiative. Don't wait for others to reach out. If you enjoy someone's company, suggest meeting up for coffee, lunch, or an activity. 2. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what the other person has to say. Ask thoughtful questions and listen without distractions. 3. Find shared interests. Focus on activities or topics you both enjoy. Shared experiences strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. 4. Be consistent. Relationships grow through regular contact. Follow up after meeting someone and make an effort to stay in touch. 5. Be yourself. Authenticity is key to building meaningful friendships. Don't feel the need to impress or pretend, just be yourself, and the right people will appreciate you for who you are. Making friends as an adult isn't always smooth sailing. Here's how to overcome common challenges. 1. Dealing with rejection. Not every interaction will lead to a friendship, and that's okay. Don't take it personally, focus on the connections that do click. 2. Finding time. If your schedule is packed, prioritize quality over quantity. Even meeting up once a month can nurture a meaningful connection. 3. Feeling awkward. It's normal to feel awkward when meeting new people, especially at first. Embrace the discomfort, it often leads to growth and connection. 4. Balancing old and new friendships. Making new friends doesn't mean neglecting old ones. Balance your time and energy to maintain both new and existing relationships. Building new friendships as an adult brings incredible benefits. Emotional support. Good friends provide a safe space to share your thoughts and feelings. New perspectives. Friends can challenge your thinking and introduce you to new ideas, hobbies, and experiences. Happiness and fulfillment. Studies show that strong social connections are key to happiness and even longevity. Opportunities for growth. Friendships encourage personal growth and self-discovery, pushing you to be your best self. Let's recap. Making friends as an adult starts with the right mindset, being open, patient, and intentional. Practical strategies like joining groups, volunteering, and taking the initiative help you meet new people. Building genuine connections requires consistency, active listening, and shared experiences. Overcoming challenges like rejection or awkwardness is part of the journey, but the rewards are worth it. Here's my challenge for you. Choose one strategy from this video and try it this week. Whether it's joining a class, reaching out to someone new, or saying yes to an invitation, take that first step. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to Level Up Life. Let's keep growing, connecting, and creating lives we're proud of. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.